How to restore Yahoo Mail on iPhone? If you're struggling to get Yahoo Mail working on your iPhone, you're not alone. Let's go through some steps to help you restore Yahoo Mail and get back to your emails. First, let's check if the issue is with your internet connection. Ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable network. Sometimes a simple restart of your device or switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data can resolve the problem. Next, verify that Yahoo Mail is not down. You can check websites like Down Detector to see if other users are experiencing issues with Yahoo Mail. If it's a server problem, you'll just need to wait until the service is restored. Now let's try some troubleshooting steps specific to your iPhone. If you can't access your Yahoo Mail, it might be due to configuration errors or an outdated app. Start by checking if there are any updates available for the Yahoo Mail app. Go to the App Store, search for Yahoo Mail, and see if there's an update waiting for you. Update the app, restart your iPhone, and then try logging in again. If updating the app doesn't work, try offloading the Yahoo Mail app. Go to Settings, scroll down to General, then tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Yahoo Mail app, tap on it, and select Offload App. Wait a few minutes and then reinstall the app from the App Store. Another effective solution is to delete and reinstall the Yahoo Mail app. Press and hold the Yahoo Mail app icon until it starts to jiggle, then tap the X to delete it. After deleting, restart your iPhone. Once it's back on, go to the App Store, search for Yahoo Mail, and download it again. If the issue persists, it might be related to your account settings. Try resetting your Yahoo Mail account on your iPhone. Go to Settings, then to Mail, Contacts, Calendar, and select your Yahoo account. Scroll down and choose to delete your Yahoo account from your iPhone. Then, go back to the Mail settings and add your Yahoo account again. For more severe issues, you might need to check your network settings or ensure that your iOS is up to date. Sometimes, updating your iOS can resolve compatibility issues between the Yahoo Mail app and your iPhone. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider using the Yahoo Mail app instead of the built-in Mail app on your iPhone. The Yahoo Mail app can often provide a more stable and direct connection to your Yahoo account. By following these steps, you should be able to restore Yahoo Mail on your iPhone and get back to managing your emails smoothly. Remember to always check the basics first, like your internet connection and app updates, before diving into more complex troubleshooting steps.